Hello! This is Trish and I'm back with a new unboxing video. For today, we will be unboxing the second album of Twice, Eyes Wide Open. It was released last October 27 and we're very excited with what comes with it. First, let's take a look at the most card for the Eyes Wide Open. By the way, I got the retro version of the album. It has 3 versions, retro, style, and story. So, I got the retro one. So, the most card looks like this. Next, let's take a look at the pre-order benefit that comes with it, the photo card set. Nayeon. The back looks like this. So, Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dayeon, Chaeyoung, Chewie, and of course, an OT9. This would be the 10-piece photo card set pre-order benefit. Next, let's open up the album itself. This is the cover for the retro version. We have here Eyes Wide Open, some credits, and here the member names, second full album, and the Twice logo. At the side, we have this, and at the back, here. Oh, we got a Sana CD. Then we have here the sticker set. What? This is so cute. And a lyric poster. Oh, I got OT9. It has the lyrics at the back. So first, we have here the message card. You get 1 member random out of 9. Wonder who we got. And it's Jihyo. We got Jihyo. This is her message. Then we have here the 5 photo cards. Random 5 out of 100. So first I got Dayeon. And a unit photo card with Jonghyun, Chaeyoung, Sana, Mina, and Jihyo. Then Nayeon, Mina, and Sana. Got these photo cards. Then let's take a look now at the photo book. Twice, the track list, the member names, and the retro version. Okay, let's open this up. Just go through it quickly. This page is so beautiful. I'm wanting to myself. Out of control. It also has the lyrics here. Oh, so first track is I Can't Stop Me. Then Hell in Heaven. Up No More. Do What We Like. Wow. Then fifth track, Bring It Back. Believer. Queen. Oh, Queen Gia. Go Hard. Micheng, Micheng. Ninth track, Shot Clock. Handle It. Depend on You. And Say Something. Then we have, this is my favorite track for this album, Behind the Mask. Behind the Mask, yeah. Ooh, yeah. And then OT9 Photo. Some lyrics again. And the credits for the last page. That's it for the photo book. So we have the CD and the photo book, the message card, the DIY sticker set, the lyric poster. I'm really happy with this one. You're going to get random 1 out of 10, and of course it contains 9 members and an OT9 photo, and I'm really happy I got to get the OT9. Then the photo cards, the pre-order benefit photo card set, and of course the most card. So that's it for the unboxing of the second album of Twice, Eyes Wide Open. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment down below on your thoughts on this album. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified every time I post a new unboxing video, please don't forget to click that bell beside the subscribe button. And see you on my next video. Bye bye!